Welcome to Med.You. What are cloves? Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, native to Indonesia. They are commonly used as a spice in cooking. Cloves are also used in traditional medicine due to their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and pain-relieving properties. Their oil, known as clove oil, is particularly popular for dental care as a natural remedy for toothaches. 10 surprising benefits of eating just 2 cloves every day after 50. 1. Enhances digestive health. As we age, digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion become more common. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and relieving discomfort. Their natural compounds help reduce stomach irritation, and they can also combat constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. 2. Strengthens immunity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections and illnesses. This is particularly important after 50, when immune function may naturally decline. Regular consumption of cloves helps the body ward off common infections, such as colds and flu. 3. Improves bone health. Bone density tends to decrease with age, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Cloves contain high levels of manganese, a mineral essential for healthy bone formation and maintenance. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can help support bone density and strength, reducing the risk of age-related bone issues. 4. Promotes heart health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of cloves help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to heart disease. Cloves may also help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, 2 key factors in maintaining heart health after 50. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, is known to improve circulation and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves may help regulate blood sugar, which is important for individuals over 50 who are more at risk for developing type 2 diabetes. Compounds in cloves can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. 6. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Joint pain and inflammation often increase with age. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves, particularly due to eugenol, can help alleviate pain and reduce swelling in the joints. Consuming 2 cloves daily can provide natural relief from conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 7. Improves respiratory health. Cloves act as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the airways, making them beneficial for respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and common colds. Cloves also possess antibacterial properties that help fight infections of the respiratory tract, supporting lung function and improving breathing as you age. 8. Boosts brain health. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to age-related cognitive decline. Regular consumption of cloves can improve memory and cognitive function, and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 9. Improves oral health. Cloves have been traditionally used to treat dental issues like toothaches and gum disease. Their natural antibacterial and analgesic properties help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, prevent bad breath, and soothe inflamed gums. Chewing 2 cloves daily can also help prevent plaque buildup, promote fresh breath, and maintain healthy teeth and gums. 10. Promotes skin health. Aging often brings skin issues like wrinkles, dryness, and sagging. Cloves, with their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, help combat the free radicals that cause skin damage and premature aging. Regular consumption of cloves can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a healthier, more youthful complexion. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please visit our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Med.You.